skill test recently, and this is an instrument with which you can do your Boyle's law experiment, or you can measure atmospheric pressure. Okay, atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. So we have designed our own barometer, and in this barometer we have this syringe. इसका duplicate copy है. We have taken this injection syringe, and instead of that needle we have put a screw here and put some araldite etc. to fix it, close it up. So this is a normal syringe, and then this hole is closed, and then the syringe is fixed on this board, and that is fixed in these two stands, and there is a hanger or a hook that we have attached at this lower end. This is our barometer. We put a pan here. Now if I pull and leave, what will happen? Can you see this part? I have forcefully pulled it. If I leave, it goes up. Natural, because it is closed at the top. So I can apply a force and pull. When I leave it, it goes back, because you have atmospheric pressure. So this cap is being pushed up by the atmosphere, and from inside the pressure becomes very low because of expansion. There is little air left here. When I pull, this air expands, so the pressure decreases. So on this piston, from inside the force is less, from outside it is atmospheric pressure. At this moment I am applying the remaining force, and it is in equilibrium. If I leave it, it goes back. Okay, now we put some weight. This is half kg. Pull it and leave. It goes back. Now the force on the piston, from inside you have pressure into area, from outside you have atmospheric pressure into area, plus this half kg which is going down. So it is helping this inside air, but the help is not sufficient. So when I push it, when I pull it and leave, it just goes back. Put one more half kg and see what happens. Still goes up. Alright, put more weight. 50, okay, 100 grams. Yes. 100 grams. Now it is 1100 grams. See what is happening? It's going but slowly. So you can adjust the weight and find the position where it stops going. Let us see now. So the atmospheric pressure is being balanced by whatever weight you put here, where you can, it just stays, it should just stay there. You can do finer adjustment. Even if it is going very slowly, you can put 10 more grams and so on. So now you know what is that force due to atmospheric pressure, and then you can calculate the area, inner area of this piston, divide it, that is the atmospheric pressure. Okay.